So this is a video on how to replace the exterior door handle on a 2013 Toyota Camry. So you see, it's a common problem that the door handle breaks off when you try to open it. So first thing you want to do, come on the inside, get a T25 and loosen that, and then you're going to be able to pop off the cylinder. Probably need a magnet to pull it out a little bit. Then you'll be able to pop it out just like that. You don't have to disconnect anything on the inside. And then the new handle, this is the new one already that I put in, but the new one, make sure you got these little rubber pieces on there. So the new one, you just want to pivot it in there, put it in there, and then you see that gap, you just push it forward. Pops right in, see? Test it, make sure it opens, moves properly. Then you just put the cylinder back in. Tying the torque